Welcome back. Well, the Nifty Bank continues to languish now just about above the flat line, above the 40,000 mark. It's the Nifty which is holding on to its gains, and that's courtesy two stocks. One, ITC, we spoke about that, 390.6 on that stock. And the other one is Reliance. That's too, supporting the index right now, currently at the high point of trade for that heavyweight. So ITC and Reliance, both of them ensuring that the Nifty maintains its gains despite the Nifty Bank, which has now moved into the red. But we do have a bunch of stocks which we want to focus on. Greaves Cotton is one of them. And in our all-boys team today, we have Sonia joining in. Sonia.
Thanks a lot for that. So, I'm watching out for Greaves Cotton because there's a massive leadership change or expansion that they have announced across their verticals, both retail, finance, even in the electric mobility segment. So, it's interesting. And that's why the stock is up about 1%. Now, they've appointed Mr. Narasimha Jayakumar as the CEO of the retail business, Mr. Sandeep Divakaran as the CEO of Greaves Finance, and Mr. Chandrasekhar Tyagarajan as the CFO of Greaves Electric Mobility. So, these are three important leadership changes that they've made. Now, they've identified a couple of growth areas as well. So, just want to talk about that. They're looking to develop clean mobility solutions in a big way. They're looking to build a future-ready portfolio of businesses and looking to build a dynamic technology program through continuous innovation. And the pedigree of these three, leaders that have joined them is quite good. A couple of them, Narasimha Jayakumar was earlier heading Google in one of the categories. You had Sandeep Divakaran as well, who is now the CEO of Greaves Finance. He comes from Ola Electric. Chandrasekhar Tyagarajan as well, earlier was with Birla Soft. So, the strong pedigree management and this focus area will be electric mobility for them. It continues to be that way. But the stock, unfortunately, has come off quite a bit from the highs in the last couple of years. In fact, if you map a 3-year trajectory of Greaves Cotton, it has been absolutely flat. It's not done much for investors. So let's see if these new leaders change the fortunes of the company.
Okay, all right, Sonia, but we can't let you go at that. What about Mahindra CIE?
Well, good numbers, Nigel, really good numbers. And, this is a stock that has already doubled in the last 1 year. So, the street likes the fact that the growth has been pretty good, especially in the European business, considering all the challenges that we've seen. Revenue growth of 26% overall. The EBITDA has gone up 93%. The margins look quite inflated. That's because there was a one-time impact. There was a profit on their land sale to the tune of 38 odd crores. X of that, the margins are still quite healthy at 15%, 15.7% to be precise. There's a good growth in their European business as well. They say that the European automotive market has finally shown some recovery because the semiconductor shortage is easing. And in that context, it's a 43% growth in Europe. The EBITDA is up 88% and the margins have improved substantially over 300 basis points. That's because energy costs have stabilized and inflation, the extra cost has been passed on to consumers now that demand has picked up. Back to you.
All right, Sonia, thanks a lot for that. So on that note, we're out of time on this edition of Chartbusters. From Nigel and me, we take your leave, but you don't go anywhere because Sonia is still here on the other side of the short break. She will be joined by her colleagues at Trading Hour.